Yes! Legends, welcome back to the channel. This one is going to be totally different. We're not riding an analog bike. This will be my very first E-mount bike ride. My real e-bike now.
Oh, manual!
And I'll be riding a 2022 Giant Rain E+. A massive shout out to my mate Lance, who's lending me the bike for the day. I'm so excited to see what the crazy is around this electric mountain bike thing. Sick trails, e-bike, new experience. Let's do it. It feels very weird leaving to go for a ride without my bike. And we're heading to the beautiful Dwellingup in Western Australia. Here it is, Giant Rain E+, 2022. Fox 38 front 4, 160 at the back, 170 at the front. See what all the fuss is about. Right, so what am I doing here, Lance?
So you turn it on here. I'll just set it and forget it. So that one. So it's one up, one down from the very top.
All right.
Normally you just...
Well, how do you change it?
Just touch it. That's full power. Touch it again. Goes back to the start. That's like eco. That's basically riding without a motor. That's like a normal bike. And then that's a little bit more power, and then you got that. I'd leave it in that one.
Oh, let's work up to that, eh?
No, let's just fucking, I want to see your first experience.
Alright.
Pull the front end up and manual that. I can't manual it.
You can manual, whoa! Far out. Damn. That's a bit quick, I think.
Can you go up then?
Yeah.
When I train for it, just keep pedaling because that means there's a jump coming up.
We're gonna jump uphill. This is the most excited I've ever been to pedal up a hill. Oh my god. Oh shit. Yeah. Whoa! Oh my god, jumping uphill. It feels so weird, dude. It's like I'm being pushed up the hill.
It's great.
Oh, she's heavy.
Once you get a hang of jumping, you'll find it's actually better on a heavier bike.
Technical climbing. It's so easy. Oh my god. Oh, so crazy.
What's your experience so far?
Oh, it's good. It's different. It's just like trying to pick my lines while I'm pedaling uphill.
Yeah,
it's almost like scary going uphill. It makes the uphill fun, yeah. Oh, he's gone. This is the future. Thanks, mate. It's the e-bike guilt. So good. Oh, that was scary. They're weighted a bit differently, aren't they? Oh, we're still going uphill. This is insane. Oh, what's that? Oh yeah, that little drop didn't feel too bad. I was expecting like the front to dive or something. Oh. I think I'd want to wear the full face even pedaling up the hill, to be honest with you though. Krakatoa. Yo. Oh. It's just a lot of bike to stop. Oi! Yes! Oh! Nah, I think it's sort of how I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
It's just different.
Yeah.
Like when you get to the top of the hill when you're on a normal bike, I like that feeling of being fucked and going, oh,
turn it down and do that.
I've earned this descent. No, because it's too easy to press that button, bro. Oh. No. Yeah. All right. It jumps all right. Oh. Yeah. E-bike manual. Wow. Oh. Hey. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm an e-bike in there. That was funner on this bike, because you know those pinch climbs? Like on my normal bike, I was like, ah, that sort of takes the fun out of it. And on this, it was just like a couple of cranks and you're like, whoa. Cheers. I feel bad. You do feel a bit guilty though, don't you?
Oh, those peasants.
Yeah! This thing would be so sick just to session jumps. It's so easy. Right all day. Oh! 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 That was tight. I'm on the wrong side. Oh! Oh! I didn't know what was happening, bro. Do you want to do them again?
Why?
I don't know, it was fun. Yo! Starting to get used to it now. Oh, I've gone off the track. Oh! Oh! Oh, I butchered it. I think I'm an e-biker now. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Woo! Oh! Oh, you dog! Oh! What are you doing? You need a little lie down, especially on an e-bike. I could do this all day. Now I'm just riding up the hill with my drone on my back with ease. Like, so easy. This would make it so much easier to get B-roll and stuff like that for videos. It is insane. Got no idea what this takes. No fucking idea, mate. Hold on. Still a quick roll in from here. Alright, I want one. I want one. They're very sick. I can see why owning an e-bike would make you such a good rider. So fun. Especially for just sessioning stuff like over and over again. It takes like no effort to get back up. I've only just started and you're making us go home.
I would have been here at 6 if you wanted to. Should we been 4 hours?
Yeah, but I feel like I've done nothing. It's nothing. I've done fucking nothing.